Unit 2. Citizens and Citizenship. Civics is the study of government. The word citizen is derived from the Latin word civics, which means resident of a city state of ancient Rome. Types of citizen. There are two types of citizen, natural and naturalized citizens. Natural citizens are the citizens by birth. Naturalized citizens are the one who acquire citizenship. Acquisition of citizenship. The Citizenship Act of 1955 prescribes 5 ways of acquiring citizenship. They are by birth, descent, registration, naturalization, and incorporation of territory. Indian Citizenship Act 1955. This act is to provide for the acquisition and termination of Indian citizenship by birth. A person born in India on or after 26 January 1950 but before 1st July 1987 is a citizen of India by birth irrespective of the nationality of his parents. A person born in India on or after 1st July 1987 is considered as a citizen of India only if either of his parents is a citizen of India at the time of his birth. Those born in India on or after 3rd December 2004 are considered citizens of India, or one of whose parents is a citizen of India and the other is not an illegal migrant at the time of their birth. By descent. A person born outside India on or after 26th January 1950 but before 10th December 1992 is a citizen of India by descent. If his father was a citizen of India at the time of his birth, a person born outside India on or after 10th December 1982 is considered as a citizen of India if either of his parents is a citizen of India at the time of his birth. From 3rd December 2004 onwards, a person born outside India shall not be a citizen of India by descent unless his birth is registered at an Indian consulate within 1 year of the date of birth. By registration, a person of Indian origin who is ordinarily resident in any country or place outside undivided India. A person of Indian origin who is ordinarily resident in India for 7 years before making an application for registration. A person who is married to a citizen of India and is ordinarily resident in India for 7 years before making an application for registration. By naturalization, the central government may on an application grant a certificate or naturalization to any person. If he is not a citizen of any country where citizens of India are prevented from becoming subjects or citizens of that country. A citizen of any country renounces the citizenship of that country. He has either resided in India or been in the service of a government in India or throughout the period of 12 months. He is good character and has an adequate knowledge of a language specified in the 8th schedule to a constitution, presently 22 languages. By incorporation of territory. If any foreign territory becomes a part of India, the government of India specifies the persons who among the people of the territory shall be the citizens of India from the notified date. For example, when Pondicherry became a part of India, the government of India issued the Citizenship Pondicherry Order 1962. Laws of Indian citizenship. Part 2 of the Constitution of India, Article 5 to 11, prescribes 3 ways of losing citizenship. Renunciation is a voluntary act when a person, after acquiring the citizenship of another country, gives up his or her Indian citizenship. Termination takes place by operation of law. When an Indian citizen is voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country, he or she automatically ceases to be an Indian citizen. Deprivation is a compulsory termination. The citizenship is deprived on the basis of an order of the government of India in cases involving acquisition of Indian citizenship by fraud, false representation, or being disloyal to the constitution. Nationality and citizenship. Nationality is the status of belonging to a particular nation by origin, birth. Basically, it's an ethnic and racial concept. Nationality of a person cannot be changed. Citizenship is granted to an individual by the government of the country when he or she complies with the legal formalities. Citizenship can be changed. Our Indian Constitution provides for only single citizenship, that is the Indian citizenship, but federal states like USA and Switzerland has dual citizenship, national citizenship and the state citizenship. As per the order president is the first citizen of our country. Non-resident Indian, an Indian citizen who is residing outside India and holds an Indian passport. Person on Indian origin, a person whose any ancestors was an Indian nationals and who is presently holding another country's citizenship other than Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Afghanistan, China, and Nepal. The PO scheme was rescinded. Rescinded. WEF 9 on 2015. Overseas citizens of India card holder. It is an immigration status permitting a foreign citizen of India to origin to live and work in the Republic of India indefinitely, except the citizen of Pakistan and Bangladesh. There are no voting rights for an OCI card holder. Rights and duties of citizen. Our constitution confers the following rights for the citizen of India. Fundamental rights: right to vote in the election of the Lok Sabha and the state legislature, right to hold certain public offices, right to become the member of parliament and state legislature. According to 42 amendment of our constitution, a set of fundamental duties are prescribed for all citizens of India. Qualities of a good citizen: loyalty to the constitution, obeys laws, contributes to society and community, and performs a civic duty. Quality of goodness and justice, respecting diversity. Overseas Indians Day. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas (PBD), sponsored by Ministry of External Affairs of Government of India, is celebrated once in every 2 years to mark the contributions of overseas Indian community in the development of India. The day commemorates the arrival of Mahatma Gandhi in India from South Africa.